Hi guys, good afternoon. So this is Arden from the Philippines, and as you can see, I'm outside today. Actually, I'm here in a mango orchard or mango plantation, and it's a little bit forested here in this area, but don't worry about it. I'm actually safe. I'm not worried about snakes or anything. And today I'm gonna show you a 1 hectare property here located in Rosario, Batangas, which is approximately 8 kilometers away from Rosario town proper, and 20 minutes drive from here to Laia, San Juan, Batangas, where there are a lot of beaches over there. And this property is really nice because you got already mango trees, so that's already your source of income. And the lowest income for this property coming from the mango tree is minimum 30,000 pesos depending on the harvest, okay, of mango harvest. And on this property as well, you will see the mountain that is very nice, and actually I really love it. And as well, this property is bordered by a small creek, so it means that this property is really elevated. So you should not be afraid about flooding or that stuff because you are safe. So let's check the property, okay? So I'm here close to the edge of the property, and already on this side you will already see the mango trees, and over on this side those are all bamboo trees. That is not part of the property, but the general rule here is that if the trees is leaning on your side, on your property, then you can get the fruits or you can get the harvest or wood or something like that, right? And since there are lots of trees in this area, I can tell you there's also a lot of birds here. So the frontage of this property is 155-meter long, and actually here on this side, so that is bordered by a small creek, that is the depth is 64 meters. So it's really nice. So it means that this property is 1 hectare. So let's go first on this side. So there are 60 mango trees in this area. That's why I called it a mango orchard. So on this side you don't have the border or the barbed wire, but on the other side there is a border. So this is full of mango trees. So all mango trees. Okay, so you can see over there, those are bamboo trees. So you can get those bamboo trees if you wanna build your bahay kubo over here. So let's go on the other side, and that way you will see this 155-meter frontage that I'm talking about, okay? So over here you can see it's already lined with barbed wire. So in that way you'll already know the border on this side, okay? So this is the barbed wire. So this is the fence. So it's going up to this point, and it's 155-meter long. So from where I'm standing, it's 155-meter long going that side, and going that side it's 64-meter wide. So this property is really 1 hectare property. So this property is titled. There's only one drawback. The property is still together with the mother title. So the mother title is 2 hectare. So it means that we will cut this 1 hectare out of this 2 hectare mother title. But don't you worry about it. It's not a problem. We are processing transfer of title as well, like that. So first the process is that first we will have the approved plan signed, okay, by the Bureau of Lands, and then second, then we will have the notarization of the deed of sale. In that way we will pay the capital gains tax and the DST, and then followed by the transfer tax and everything, and then by DAR clearance, make sure it's agricultural land, and last it will be by the registry of deeds for the transfer of title into buyer's name. So this property is really cool because it's full of trees. It's all mango tree. Pero ano to? Kalamansi o sintures? Okay, there are a few of these trees. We call it citrus, or in Tagalog we call it sintures or dalandan. So let me clarify one thing, and that way it's all clear. So I'm gonna go in the front. Okay, so the property border is the tree. So from this point up to that side where I showed you, this 155 meter long and 64 meter wide, so which is equivalent to 10,000 square meters. So from this point as well, we have a 3 meter right of way. So I'm gonna show you the 3 meter right of way, and we're gonna measure how long it is. But don't worry about it, you don't have to pay for the right of way because the seller will shoulder it, and we will have a copy of that from the barangay. In that way you are all secured, you know, so there will be no fight about this right of way. And over here it's already this one is already barangay road. So the right of way will start from here and covering that area. So if I can look now, it's approximately 40 meter long, okay, and this will be your nearest neighbor, and that one too. And what I really like about this property is that you will see actually the mountain. It's really nice. So I'm gonna walk now because I wanna show you the main barangay road, okay? So there are some really big developments in the area because, as you know, Rosario is becoming a city, only it's missing its population. So we are hoping in the next 2 to 3 years that the number of population will increase, and then it will be declared as a city. So the moment it's declared as a city means the property value will increase, and that way you will already have your return of investment. So guys, we are here now on the cemented barangay road. This is the main barangay road, and you can see over there, this is still under construction. So all the way through, all the barangay roads will be cemented. And here you can see those 3 houses will be your neighbor, and then you will enter here, and from here to that point it will be around 300 meter long, and that is where the property is. So guys, if you are interested in this property, please send email at oli.arlene@gmail.com, or you can visit my Facebook page at Arlene Lewandowski, or you can send SMS, Viber, or WhatsApp message at 0917-621-4090. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please check the description box when it comes to description of the property, and if you want to have the Google Map link, you have to send me an email or message or a messenger, and that way I can send you the location, okay? So the price of this property is 500 pesos per square meter, or 5 billion pesos. So thank you so much guys, have a nice day, bye.